This is GoMath Chapter 9, Mid-Chapter Review for Kindergarten. The directions for questions 1 and 2 say trace around each side, write how many sides, place a counter on each corner or vertex, write how many vertices. So number 1, hopefully you can recognize this shape as a square, but let's trace the sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 sides. Then it says place a counter on the vertices. There's one vertex, another vertex, another vertex, and the last vertex. So this shape, which is a square, has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The next shape you know as a triangle. Trace the sides. So we trace the sides there. We traced 1, 2, 3 sides. Then we put a counter on the vertices. 1, 2, 3. Each vertex has a counter, and there are 3 vertices. So this shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices, and you know that's a triangle. The bottom says draw lines to match the shape to its name. So this first shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices, so it is a triangle. So we're going to draw to connect the shape with the name. This next shape is just a curve. It's closed. It is a circle. The last shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 4 vertices, and all those sides are equal. It is a square. All right, that's the mid-chapter checkpoint for Chapter 9 Go Math in Kindergarten.